A quick and healthy stir-fry featuring tender salmon fillets and crisp asparagus tossed in a flavorful soy-ginger sauce. Perfect for a weeknight dinner. Ingredients: 2 salmon fillets about 6 ounces each, 1 bunch asparagus trimmed and cut into 2-inch pieces, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon fresh ginger grated, 2 garlic cloves minced, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, 1 tablespoon water, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, sesame seeds for garnish optional, green onions sliced for garnish optional. Step 1. In a small bowl, mix the soy sauce, sesame oil, grated ginger, minced garlic, cornstarch, and water. Stir until combined and set aside. Step 2. Season the salmon fillets with salt and pepper on both sides. Step 3. Heat olive oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Step 4. Add the salmon fillets to the skillet and cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side or until golden brown and cooked through. Remove from the skillet and set aside. Step 5. In the same skillet, add the asparagus pieces and stir-fry for 3 to 5 minutes until they are bright green and tender crisp. Step 6. Return the cooked salmon to the skillet with the asparagus. Pour the sauce mixture over the salmon and asparagus, gently tossing to coat everything evenly. Step 7. Cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the sauce to thicken slightly and heat through. Step 8. Remove from heat and serve immediately, garnished with sesame seeds and green onions if desired.